Hello everyone, welcome to the geography quick revision session 2. So we have done few topics related to the physical geography. The intention is not to make you exactly solve the questions, rather we want to discuss the important and untouched topics of UPSC. So this is related to the Indian geography. Let me share the screen. Yes. So we are revising through the question. So let's see this question to know about the mapping of India. If you want to travel from Leh to Yanam, Leh is part of Ladakh, right? Union territory. Through the land route towards the Yanam. Yanam is a union territory under the Pondicherry. What is the minimum possible states you need to cross, excluding the origin and destination? Right? So excluding the origin and destination, how many states you need to, minimum states that you need to cross to reach to Yanam from Leh, right? So if you see the map, here we have the Leh and here we have Yanam. So Himachal Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh is having a small boundary with the Uttar Pradesh, and from Uttar Pradesh you have a boundary with the Chhattisgarh, and from Chhattisgarh you have a boundary to Andhra Pradesh. So total 4 states, that is Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Andhra Pradesh, and then reaching to the Yanam. So origin, that is Leh, and destination, that is Yanam, you can exclude. So answer is 4, right? Yeah. So this is the answer. You can pause it and you can solve it. Other questions, right? So here the important things to be understood from mapping is that you need to know that Himachal Pradesh is having the border with the Uttar Pradesh, right? And from the main territory towards the northeast India, if you want to travel, you have to mandatorily travel through West Bengal. So without traveling through West Bengal, you cannot reach towards the northeast India from mainland. Of course, that is through Indian borders. Fine. This is one important thing to be understood. And Sikkim as well as Meghalaya are the only 2 states in India which have boundary with only one state, right? So Sikkim has a boundary with West Bengal and Meghalaya has boundary with the Assam. There's the only states which are having single state boundaries. Fine. And also, you need to know about the international boundaries, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, then Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal as well, Assam, Meghalaya, all the northeast states which are having boundary. So take a look over these things after passing it. So which states are having boundaries with the which international countries or the international borders, and then coastal states also, how many and which coastal states, all these things are also you need to know, right? So that is about the important political map of India. Next, there is a question about the hills in the southern part of India. Let's look this question. Arrange the following hills of southern India from north to south. So from north towards the south, they are asking to arrange of the given 4, hilly regions or hills, right? So this is a very simple question. You just need to know that Cardamom Hills is the southernmost one, so you can eliminate. Yes, so 2 should be there. You can eliminate 1. And the Nallamala Hills is located in the Andhra Pradesh. Rest of Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu, Annamalai in Kerala, and then Cardamom in Kerala. So north side, we will see this Nallamala, sorry. Nilgiri is in Tamil Nadu, Nallamala is in Andhra Pradesh, so it will be the northernmost. So 3 should be the first and the Cardamom should be south. So we got the answer, that is A. Fine, it's a very easy question if you know the basics of hills. So we have Nallamala at the top in the Andhra Pradesh, and then we have Nilgiris at the northern Tamil Nadu, and then Annamalai Hills in the Kerala, northern Kerala, and then southernmost we have Cardamom Hills. So answer is A. Yeah. Let's look into the hills from north to south. Nallamala Hills in Andhra Pradesh, then Venukonda Hills in again Andhra Pradesh, Palakonda Hills as well in Andhra Pradesh, yes. Nagari Hills again in Andhra Pradesh. Seshachalam Hills in Andhra Pradesh. So these are the hills. These 5 hills are part of Andhra Pradesh, northernmost. Now, if you come to Tamil Nadu, we have a Javadi Hills, then Shevaroy Hills. After Javadi, we have Shevaroy, and then comes the Nilgiri Hills, right? So Javadi, Shevaroy, and then Nilgiri Hills, and then Panchamalai Hills, right? So this you can remember as a set: Javadi, Shevaroy, Nilgiri, and Panchamalai Hills. Dodabetta is located within Nilgiri, that is in OT, right? Then comes the southernmost part. Sirumalai Hills, and then parallel to it we have Arnamalai Hills, and then Palani Hills, then Varsunad Hills and Cardamom Hills. So this is, you can remember as a set, right? So these are the southern hills you have to remember. These are very important. Next, we have a hills related to the northern side, that is Himalayas. Which of the following is correct order of Himalayan ranges from north to south? So we have a Himalayan ranges, right, which are part of Himalayas. We have a Karakoram, we have Ladakh, we have Janskar, we have Pirpinjal and Shivalik. So out of that, we need to arrange from northern to south, right? So the northernmost ranges are Karakoram range. It is very popular. Northernmost Himalayan ranges in India is Karakoram ranges, where the Siachen Glacier is also present. So B and D are eliminated. So you have two left. After that, Pirpinjal is little bit southern side, Uttarakhand range and all. So Ladakh, then Janskar, then Pirpinjal, then Shivalik. So answer is J. You can see the map also. This is the Karakoram ranges, right? And this is Hindu Kush range, where the north and west Himalayas towards the Pakistan is located. Then below that, we have Ladakh range, then Janskar range, then Pirpinjal range. Then comes the Dauladhar range and Shivalik range. So this is the order from north to south, right? We have also important range peaks, that is K2 peak, which is highest in India. Then we have Mount Everest in the Nepal region, then Kanchenjunga in the Sikkim, right? So these are some of the important. Mount Kailash is also located in the Uttarakhand. So this is also important, right? Next, they are asking about the northeast hills now. After north, they are asking about the northeast hills. Let's see. Jaintia, Kasi, Garo. They are asking to arrange from west to east. West to east. So Garo, Kasi, Jaintia. So Garo is the westernmost, then Kasi, then Jaintia. So 3, 2, 1 is the answer. Yes, we got the answer B. Right? So if you look here, Garo, Kasi, Jaintia from west to east. Then here we have Mizo Hills, Naga Hills, Patkai Bum in part of Assam, then Dafla Hills in Arunachal Pradesh. So this is also important. Namcha Barwa, which is a peak where Brahmaputra river hits this, and then they take turn towards the Indian territory from Tibet, right? So this is also important. Next one, in the context of Indian physiography features, Bundelkhand is sandwiched between, Bagilkhand, it is not Bundelkhand, don't confuse. So Bagilkhand is sandwiched between which two? Maharashtra Plateau, Chhattisgarh Plains, Bundelkhand, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Marwar Plateau, Rajmal Hills and Garjat Hills. So this is a little bit a complex question. Let's see the arrangement, then you will understand it, right? So this is the arrangement. Let's come from south. We have Western Ghats and then Eastern Ghats. Then Karnataka Plateau, Telangana Plateau, Maharashtra Plateau, and Dandakaranya Plateau. So these are a set you can remember. Above that, we have Chhattisgarh Plains, right? So this is a big set that you can remember. Now we have eastern side, Garjat Hills. Above that, we have Chota Nagpur and then Chota Nagpur Plateau and then Rajmal Hills. So Chota Nagpur Plateau is sandwiched between Rajmal Hills and Garjat Hills, right? And here we have Bagilkhand, which is sandwiched between Bundelkhand and Chota Nagpur Plateau, right? So these are Satpuras, and these are we have Vindhyas. So this black color one is Vindhyas, Satpuras is a bottom one, right? So Bagilkhand is sandwiched between Chota Nagpur and Bundelkhand. Bundelkhand distributes over Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, which again sandwiched between Malwa and Bagilkhand, right? And northwest of Malwa Plateau, we have Marwar Plateau. Above it, we have Aravalli Mountains. So this is a set of important plateaus and hills that you need to remember. So the answer is yes. So the answer is about Bagilkhand sandwiched between Chhattisgarh Plateau. So yeah, Chota Nagpur Plateau, not Chhattisgarh, and then Bundelkhand. So answer is B again. Okay. Yeah. Next question about Andaman Nicobar Islands, right? Just a second. Yeah. So let's see the question. Which of the following statements about Andaman Nicobar Islands is correct or is or correct? They are asking. First one, Mount Tullier is the highest peak in Andaman Nicobar Islands. The first statement. The only active volcano in India is located in Barren Islands. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is located near Wandoor in Andaman Islands. So you may be a little bit difficult to know. This second statement is very popular. The only active volcano in India is located in Barland. So second statement should be there. So you can eliminate A. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is also located near the Wandoor, Andaman Nicobar. So these two are correct. Mount Tullier is not the highest peak, rather it is the second highest peak. Saddle Peak in Andaman is the highest peak in Andaman Nicobar Island. So first statement can be eliminated and answer is 2, 3. Again, it is the B, right? Yeah. Next one, arrange the following regions of northern plains from north to south. Now they have given 4 plains and they are asking to arrange from north to south. Bangar, Terai, Babar, Kadar, right? So these 4 are the one of the fertile regions, except one we will see that as well. So let's discuss. These are the Himalayas. So when the rivers are moving from Himalayas to the down to the plains, they bring the big boulders. All the boulders will be settled here. So that is called as Babar, and hence it is not fertile because most of the land consists of the boulders, which is infertile, right? So that is Babar, where these rivers are flowing below it, so they are disappear in this region, right? And then again they emerge in Terai region, where there is a grassland area. So they emerge, they appear here after flowing at the bottom of this. And Terai is one of the good fertile regions. Then comes the Bangar region, where one of the again fertile regions across the river flow, right? So Kadar is a region where the Himalayan sediments settle, and this is the newer most alluvial. So this is the older alluvial, which was far from the river, right? So this like Babar, Terai, Bangar, and Kadar. So Babar, then Terai, 3, 2, then comes Bangar, and then Kadar. So 3, 2, 4, 1. Here the answer is A. Next one, which of the following statements with respect to Indus River system is incorrect? So about the Indus River system, there was a lot of questions. Even in recently Sutlej question was asked. So they are asking the incorrect statement. First one, Ravi River joins Chenab River. So he is indirectly saying Ravi River is a tributary of Chenab, they are saying. Baridob lies between Sutlej River and Ravi River, they are saying Baridob. Doab means area between 2 rivers, right? Chenab and Jhelum River origin from Tibet region, they are saying. Third statement. Bias River originates and ends within Indian territory, they are saying, right? So which one is incorrect, they are asking. You can see that Chenab and Jhelum rivers origin within India. So you can see here Chenab as well as Jhelum within origin from the Indian territory itself. So this is the wrong statement. And Ravi River joins towards the Chenab here, right? And Jhelum River also joins Chenab here. Fine. This is the Indus River. Then Jhelum joins into Chenab, Ravi joins into Chenab, and this Chenab joins into Sutlej River. This was the question asked in the exam in 2021 prelims. So Chenab becomes a tributary of Sutlej, and Sutlej joins into Indus River, right? So here, if you talk about Bias, it origins as well as joins Sutlej in India, within India. So Bias River completely within Indian territories. So let's also look about the Dobs. Here we have Sutlej River, and then here we have Ravi River, sorry, Bias River. This is Bias River and this is Sutlej River. So between Bias and Sutlej, it is called as Bistado. Between Sutlej and Ravi River, it is called as Barido. Between Ravi River and Chenab River, it is called as Rechnado. Between Jhelum and then Sutlej, it is Jechdo. And between Jhelum and between Indus, that is called as Sinsagado. So if you see the question, Ravi River joins Chenab, this is correct. Barido exactly lies between Sutlej and Ravi rivers, correct. Chenab and rivers or Jhelum rivers origin from Tibet, no, it is from India. So answer is C. Bias River origin and ends in Indian territory. That is also correct. Right. Next one, consider the following tributaries of river Brahmaputra. Arrange the above rivers from west to east. They are asking the tributaries of Brahmaputra to arrange from west to east. Right. So Lohit, Tista, Manas, and Subansiri. Most of you might be aware about Subansiri is one of the easternmost rivers, right? So each and the Tista Sorry, Lohit is the easternmost. Fine. So Lohit is one of the easternmost rivers. Then comes the Subansiri. So 1 and then 4. Tista is one of the westernmost rivers. Then comes the Manas. So you can look here. Yeah, this is Tista river, westernmost, and then Manas, right? And then Subansiri, and then we have Lohit. All right. So we have also Kapili and then Dhanasri, Dibang as well. Fine. And in Bangladesh, the Brahmaputra is called as Padma River, right? Fine. So this is the question. And yes, the Tista is the westernmost. So first two should come, and then comes Manas, then comes Subansiri, then comes Lohit. So again here, answer is a very important one. Next one, the laterite soil is mainly found in which river? Which region? So laterite soils in India are present in which region? This is a UPSC previous year question. This was taken from past 2007 or 8 question. They are located in Malabar coastal region. They are located in northern plains. They are located in islands. They are located in Chhattisgarh plains. So this is the question. So answer is Malabar coastal region. So you can see here laterite soil, the light dim color one. So here in the case Kerala coast, we have laterite soil. Beyond that, we are also having near the here Rajasthan and the border to Gujarat. So these are the two main regions, and then in the little bit Odisha coastal region. I mean, apart from above coastal region, Carnatic region. So we have a laterite soil. So these are the three regions. Forest mountains, they are usually located in the Himalayas. Alluvial soils, mostly located in the northern plains. Then comes red soil. So red soils also the Deccan Plateau and then Eastern Plateau. Here we have iron ore and all, right? So here we have a red soils. Black soils in the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau. Southern Peninsula, we have red soils, but the Deccan proper region, we are having the black soils. Red soils we have seen, arid soils located in the Rajasthan region. Fine, this is also important. Next one, which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? They are saying Odisha, largest producer of bauxite. Andhra Pradesh, largest producer of mica. Jharkhand, largest producer of iron. Madhya Pradesh, largest producer of copper. So here Odisha is the largest producer of bauxite. That is correct. Andhra Pradesh, we have mica, largest producer presence in Gudur and Nellore region. This is also correct. Jharkhand, largest producer of iron. Wrong. Odisha is the largest producer of iron. So answer is C here. And Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of copper. These are the mineral belts. You can just screenshot it or you can pause and you can know like iron ore, coal, manganese, copper, oil, gas fields, bauxite, mica, zinc, coal, sulfur, where they are located. So this is also important. The last question for today's session. According to the census of 2011, which of the following states of India has the highest urbanization? Highest urbanization in the sense the given area, the total territorial area, how much area it is in urbanization. So which one is the largest? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, Goa. So the answer is D, Goa. So we have a high in Goa. You can see urbanization here. Goa is 62% urbanization, followed by Mizoram and then Tamil Nadu, right? Maharashtra has highest number of cities, 18 cities, highest. Then Himachal Pradesh, we have 10% least urbanized state is Himachal Pradesh, followed by Bihar and Assam. So Himachal Pradesh is the least urbanized. State's largest area, you all know, Rajasthan, and then followed by Madhya Pradesh, then Maharashtra. Similarly, lowest areas, Goa, Sikkim, and Tripura. And also about slums, Maharashtra is having the highest slums, followed by Andhra Pradesh, and then Tamil Nadu. Arunachal Pradesh is having the lowest slums, followed by Goa and Sikkim. Right? So these are important topics which are untouched by UPSC, but still important, which you need to revise. These are untouched topics in recent times. Okay. So this is about the Indian geography, untouched and important topics. And thanks a lot. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe our channel. All the best. Thank you.